Hi everyone, so this is Katari, and today I'm going to do a quick video on installing R and RStudio on a Windows laptop. So the instructions should be very similar to if you were installing this on a Mac OS or Linux. But let's get started right away. So first I'm just going to go to the R project site. That's where all the different versions of R and also packages are often found. So here we have the CRAN site, or just go to download and pick whatever mirror site you want to download it from. So that's usually just several places that have the same copy of same information for R. So you usually pick something that's closest to you. Okay, so to download R, we'll go to the list of mirror sites. I usually just go to some place in the US, doesn't really matter. And then pick the link here to download my different versions. So here you can download the Linux version, the Mac OS, or the Windows. So I will click here for the Windows. And this is the base. So of course this is, if you were to install this for the first time, this would be a good start. I usually just download this for even if I'm trying to update my R, and that's perfectly fine. So I'm going to click on this, ask it to save the file, and then when I install it, I'll show you a quick demo of what the interface looks like, specifically the R GUI interface. But then we're actually going to go ahead and also download RStudio. So actually, while this is downloading, let's start to download RStudio as well. So here's RStudio. So this is going to be the software we're going to use to actually do a lot of our programming. It's got a nice interface, makes it really easy to navigate throughout your project and your file system to do all the analysis you need to do. So the interface has a lot of features that just a lot of the commands that you would have to type manually in R, they're taken care of in RStudio. So there are two versions. There's a desktop version and a server version. The server version is usually for more of a lab that wants to set up a computer or a server that's dedicated to RStudio, and anyone can access that computer from the web, which is helpful in certain cases. And I use it for one of my courses, a different course. But for us, because we're going to be doing a lot of the analysis on our own, we're going to be picking the RStudio desktop. So if you click on this, it gives you more about the information. Here's the free version. This is all we need, really. There is some higher, very expensive license that you can subscribe to, but that's probably more for large companies. So download RStudio desktop from here. And then I have, again, choices of which operating system I want to download it for, and I'm going to pick the Windows 7 and save this. Okay, so now while this is downloading, let's go back to our R download here.